Once upon a time, in a peaceful pond tucked behind a grand castle, lived a little green frog named Frederick. He wasn't just any frog, he was enchanted. Long ago, a royal wizard had cast a spell that said if anyone kissed Frederick, he would turn back into a human prince. But Frederick didn't want to be a prince. "Why would I want to wear itchy crowns and sit in boring meetings?" he said, "when I can leap all day, eat crunchy flies, and nap on lily pads." Every week, curious princesses visited the pond. They came in sparkly gowns, hoping to break the spell. "Let us kiss you," they begged. "No, thank you." Frederick croaked and dove underwater, blowing bubble rings as he swam away. He built a tiny raft from twigs. He made friends with dragonflies and turtles. He even started a band with the crickets. Frederick played the leaf guitar. One day, a clever girl named Ellie came to the pond. She didn't wear a crown or carry flowers. Instead, she had a sketchbook and sat by the water, drawing frogs and trees. Frederick peeked out. "Not trying to kiss me?" Ellie laughed. "EW, no way. I just like frogs. You guys are funny." Frederick liked her instantly. Day after day, Ellie returned. She brought him treats, mosquito muffins, and beetle brownies. Frederick showed her how to hop across rocks and introduced her to his cricket band. They even sang a duet called Ribbit Rock and Roll. But one evening, Ellie asked softly, "Don't you want to be a prince again?" Frederick looked at the glowing pond, the fireflies dancing like stars. "I used to," he admitted. "But now I know who I really am and I'm happy right here." Ellie nodded. "Then that's exactly who you should be." From that day on, no one ever tried to kiss Frederick again. Word spread, the frog by the castle pond doesn't want to be a prince, he wants to be himself. And so he was. Frederick the frog stayed in his pond, strumming his leaf guitar, singing with crickets, and spending sunny afternoons with his best friend, Ellie. And he lived happily ever after. The end. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.